Hey y'all, welcome back. I'm coming on to play along with Build-A-Page. So this month, the Build-A-Page crew is also playing along with Off the Board. So each of us picked a pin from Pinterest and we can use it, not use it, what have you, but I thought it was kind of fun. I already released my kit videos for Build-A-Page. What am I? Almost a week behind. Look at me. But what I have here is what I did was I went ahead and I grabbed a kit from Mercy Tiara Kit Club and I split it up into page kits. So I've got this Jen Hadfield Flower Child paper called Groovy Greenery. I've got this one. I've got this piece here. It's still from Flower Child called Far Out. And then I have this really nice scrap. So not sure exactly where that's going. I did choose 3 pieces from Vicky Bouton chipboard. Very dramatic chipboard, and then some Vicky Bouton. These look like Jen Hadfield, but some Vicky Bouton little die cut pieces. I've got that, and I also have all of these things that I chose not to separate out. I have got, like, guys, there are so many goodies. Actually, I'm going to take them out and put them next to me because I have a bunch of layouts I'm going to be working on. So I've got washi, right? I have got enamel dots, nice and easy peasy to use those, right? We have got some alphas, stickers with kind of like this holographic vibe. Chipboard again, and then we have chipboard frames, which are super, super fun. I also have just a couple of extra pieces of paper I did not put into kits, but if I feel like using it to do something, I just will. It'll be great. So I have all of these goodies right next to me. Oh, I also have this, which is so fun. These are foam, guys. It's my first time I had one of these 12 by 12 sheets with the foam. So my point is, we have the things. Now, the pin that I'm looking at to start, it is this one right here. Kristen showed us this one. So it's this beautiful peacock with flowers. How pretty is that, right? Thought that was super gorgeous. So I'm like, okay, I can totally work this in. So, oh, I'll talk about my photo in 1 second. So this reminded me of those peacock feathers if we have them going this way. So I'm going to have it on that orientation. And this is this gorgeous field of flowers. So let's go ahead and cut this so we can have our beautiful field to start, right? Let's go like this. And then for our peacock feathers, I'm going to kind of follow how the peacock, how it kind of went out. And I'm just going to choose to tear that. Let me trim the bottom off. Guys, I have no idea where I'm going with this, but this is the current flow, right? So peacock started kind of small and went out kind of big. So I'm going to have this nice torn edge. You know, we can scuff it up. We can do whatever we need to do with that. I'm going to have that come out. And then same thing over here. We're going to have it go out kind of like that peacock tail. And that's kind of fun. All right, I like how this one came down just a little bit more. Come on, little guy. All right, so we've got that. And I can put this on top of this, which breaks up that really bold floral. Interesting. I'm not even sure what I want to do yet. It's okay. We're just going to go for it. Where? First, we will get adhesive. And I'm just going to go for it and pop it down. And you know what? This piece here on the peacock started coming off this way. So that's fine. And it went in all the way like this. So let's follow kind of the whole vibe of that peacock tail. All right. So looks like this will go into this corner over here. And this edge is clean. The rest are going to be a little scuffy. There we go. And that's going all the way up like that. Now, this piece, I can double mat with this so easily for my photo, but I also am going to bring in a scrap of white cardstock from my stash. This was not in the kit. Now, I do know that she's starting to offer cardstock kits with her kits, which is pretty cool. So about there, I'm going to trim that. That'll be fine. And I'm going to go ahead and double mat it with this piece right here. All right, so I started placing these things down. My photo is not tacked down yet. Only this kind of peacocky shape is down. So the big elements that I have to look at are these really big chipboard pieces. So I popped that down, right? Now let's see. I'm gonna pop the things in that are in my kit first, and then we can, ooh, that would be cute up here. Then we can kind of have some fun like adding in all of the other things. Cute, cute, cute. Maybe I can have that popped up. Nice little drinky poo. We've got this map going over here. Let's see what else we have. Let's see what else we can do. Don't want to do the blue on the blue, but I like this really like bold floral plan going on down here as part of this cluster. Do not want to lose my cute little palm tree coming in. It's coming together like boom, 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 guys, just because we've got all of these bits. And then this I can pop up. I know it's green on green. Maybe I should put it down here so we can pop it up. All right, so that came together in roughly 2 seconds. Love that, not even much going on with it. So I have that going on. All of the pieces that I picked out to go in the kit are in the kit. Guys, it's so cute already. So let me take a look at this foamy thing because I think it's the bomb. Let's get, you know what I'm gonna do? Let me get these pieces down and then we'll add. I think that's a good idea. All right, so I have these fun pieces in. Let's see what we might be able to sneak in here. I think it is just fun. It's all for fun. He's got sunglasses on, but definitely not the peace sign kind of vibe with this guy. Like the little popsicle stuff going on. Oh, guys, I still have to tack down my, this little chipboard heart that I have here. Doesn't make a whole lot of sense that it's there, but I needed black kind of like spread out. So here we go. That's what we have. Now, another thought I just had, oh, big FedEx truck is pulling up outside. I wonder if it's stopping. Okay. I always like to see what is in these gorgeous pieces because you can totally create the most fun little something going on in clusters. You don't even have to use the whole thing. You just start tucking them and they're fun. You're like, oh, what's that about? Ooh, it's just cute. So we have a little bit of this gorgeous blue frame hanging out. Just in a couple places, just to have a little something, something going on. Okay. Definitely want to use our things as much as we can and layer all of the things. I wonder about doing some of that same kind of idea with this one here. Let's see. A little something up here. I grab this little foam tabby bit. I think that is perfect for going under here. And it's not necessarily to put anything on. It's just like, it's squishy. So it's a great little element to add in there. What else can we come up with? I love skating. Oh, look at these little leafy bits. I'm gonna get these two pieces out. Ugh. Come on. Just little leafy bits for no good reason whatsoever. Put one right here maybe. Can put one right there. Then, what else do we have? Oh, where did I just see? I knew I just saw a cute little bird. So this little bird is now sitting on that cute little chipboard circle piece. anything else we need. So this looks just like this piece. That's gorgeous. I don't think I can tuck it, but I'll look. Looks like I tried to use it on another layout too. Oh yeah, we can tuck that right under there. That works. So I've got that being a mirror of that piece. Oh, look at that beautiful blue birdie up there. He's cute. Don't have another spot for him, so it's okay. All right. Cute little floral piece because I love all the florals. Is there another little floral piece? Here's one. Totally don't need these at all. Nope. Ugh. That's a perfect kind of thing that could go right there, except for it's a sun. So I'm like, is that a necessary thing to put the flower with the sun? I don't know. But that happened. Be a star this way. Let's roll. I think this might be done for now. Okay. Let's put that away. We used the chipboard. But you know what? There's this little piece that reads, love this. And then there's another piece that has this little skinny orange frame that is making me pretty happy to look at it. So I'm just going to go ahead and tuck that and put the love this right on top. Cute. Okay, got some circular elements. I like that. Vacay is my title. But they were in Georgia, so maybe I can do GA Vacay. That might be fun, because why not? GA right there, because we've got this little piece that is just waiting for some chipboard, and I'm going to have to put a little bit of liquid adhesive right there for the... So when you have a state, do you put a dot next to it? I don't know. Well, I feel like I should, so I will. Okay, I have that. Then, oh, but wait. We have got all of these pieces too, guys. So look at this. I can bring a little bit more black in, except for I have hearts going. How do I feel about that? How do I feel? Oh. We can have a little Go Georgia Vacay with that. Oh, wait, if I just move it tiny bit over, it's in the center and it makes it cuter. Okay, we have that. We've got black, we've got gold. Let's go ahead and just have fun with it, right? Because this cluster is just plain fun right here. We've got that. Trying to get this guy off. He was wrestling with me. Little black star down there. I figured we had another one. We're just going to use them all up just like that. I want to make sure we can see it. It gets a little bit lost right here, but I don't want more black down here. So it'll work. Oh, we've got these leafy bits in here. We've got memories, storyteller. So for right here, I can do this memories tab and put it right on top of the foamy, and that will work. Ta-da. So that works. Okay, we're good with that. Let's see what we have in here. Not that we need more. We've got plenty going on. We have so much. Oh, we still have enamel dots to bring in, guys. Let's see. I mean, I love that we used the initial stuff. I think that worked perfectly fine. Now we're just doing a little more. Okay. So we kind of have more gold than anything. I do have a tiny bit of silver, but not enough that we have to make it a focus. So that's good. Got this cute little yellow flower hanging out. And it kind of wants to go in here. Let's see. Don't know where it's going to go. I don't. Oh, that's kind of cute. Right in the middle there. We've got a pink one. So this is the deal, guys. I am just adding a couple more things. Now, I will have links down below for the other Build a Page ladies. I will also have the Mercy Tiara Kit Club link because this is a kit from that club. that I'm using. And like I said, I just split it up into page kits because there are so many things that I thought it would work perfectly for it. And it has. Totally has. It's been a win. Oh, look at that sweet birdie. I might be done in a second, guys. I might be done. Okay, I have that. You know, I have, where did I just see that flower? There's a little purple flower and I don't know. Oh, I'll be able to pop it up right there. I'll pop it up right on top of that bit. A few enamel dots and I will call this one done. Now, this started because I looked at a pin that I think it was Kristen that she picked that looked like a peacock. And we ended up so quickly with this layout. It was just like, boom. Okay, enamel dots that were part of that kit. I'm kind of feeling like doing the thing where you fill in florals with them. So we might just go that way with this. So with this one, we can do a smaller yellow. Oh, and there's a little blue one too. How cute. With the little blue one, I will do that one. Cute. And then let's see what we have here. How about this one? Does this one get like a baby blue? I think so. Anyway, I'm going to fill in the rest of the flowers. You don't need to watch me faff around with enamel dots. I mean, how fascinating could it be? So I'm going to do that. I'm going to have still shots to follow, links down below, and I will see you guys ever so soon with another video. Bye for now, friends.